Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you 6 proven methods to fix iPhone overheating issues. If your iPhone gets hot during charging, gaming, or using apps, this video is for you. Let's get started. Method 1. Remove the phone case. Some cases trap heat. Remove your phone case, especially while charging or gaming, to allow better air circulation. Method 2. Close background apps. Swipe up from the bottom and close unused apps running in the background. Too many active apps can cause your phone to overwork and overheat. Method 3. Disable location services. Go to Settings, Privacy, and Security Location Services. Turn off location for apps that don't need it. GPS drains battery and heats up your phone when overused. Method 4. Lower screen brightness. Swipe down to open Control Center and reduce brightness. Or go to Settings, Display, and Brightness and adjust it manually. Method 5. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Apple often releases updates that fix bugs causing overheating. Method 6. Avoid using while charging. Don't game, stream, or use heavy apps while charging. Let your phone charge in a cool, ventilated place and avoid sunlight. Bonus tip: reset all settings. If the problem continues, go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone Reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it resets system settings to fix software glitches. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tech fixes. Stay cool and see you in the next one.